Today we're diving deep into a world that's pushing the boundaries of how we think about homes. Autonomous mobile homes. Think luxury apartments, but on wheels, equipped with the latest tech, sustainable energy solutions, and enough space to comfortably live for years on the road. So buckle up, because we're about to take a look at 7 of the most incredible autonomous mobile homes that are changing the game. First up, we've got the living vehicle, and let me tell you, this thing lives up to its name. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice for those who crave freedom and luxury. What sets the living vehicle apart is its commitment to energy independence. Imagine being able to travel anywhere without worrying about your power supply. They've gone all in on solar technology with enough panels on the roof to power your entire life on the go. This means you can stay off-grid for longer periods. But it's not just about being off-grid. The living vehicle is designed for comfort and style. It's a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. The interior is sleek, modern, and highly customizable. You can tailor it to fit your personal taste and lifestyle needs. Think open-concept living spaces, high-end finishes, and all the amenities you'd expect in a luxury apartment. It's like bringing your home with you wherever you go. They offer different floor plans and configurations to suit your specific needs, whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or a family. There's something for everyone. The living vehicle is loaded with tech, from smart home automation systems to a state-of-the-art water filtration system. It's designed to make your life easier and more comfortable. The build quality is top-notch, with a robust chassis and durable materials that can handle even the toughest road conditions. You can take it anywhere with confidence. The living vehicle is a testament to the fact that you don't have to sacrifice comfort or style when you choose a mobile lifestyle. It's the ultimate way to travel in luxury. Next up, we're checking out a concept that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of electric commercial vehicles, the Kia PV5 Wkndr. This innovative vehicle is set to redefine how we think about mobile workspaces and travel. This is not your typical mobile home. It's a mobile business hub on wheels designed for entrepreneurs and adventurers who want to take their work and passions on the road. Imagine having the freedom to work from anywhere without sacrificing comfort or productivity. The PV5 Wkndr is still in the concept phase, but the features Kia is packing into this thing are seriously impressive. From cutting-edge technology to sleek design, it's clear that a lot of thought has gone into making this vehicle a standout. We're talking about a modular interior that can be configured in countless ways to suit your specific needs. Whether you need a workspace, a living area, or a combination of both, the PV5 Wkndr has you covered. It's got a rugged design, all-wheel drive, and a pop-top roof that's equipped with solar panels to keep your batteries charged up, even when you're off the grid. This makes it perfect for those who love to explore remote locations. The PV5 Wkndr is also designed with sustainability in mind. It's not just about being eco-friendly, it's about creating a vehicle that harmonizes with the environment. It's all electric, of course, and it's built with recycled and sustainable materials whenever possible. This commitment to sustainability is a key part of what makes the PV5 Wkndr so special. The PV5 Wkndr is a glimpse into the future of mobile work and adventure. It's a bold vision that combines technology, sustainability, and flexibility in one sleek package. It has the potential to be a game changer for entrepreneurs and adventurers everywhere. With the PV5 Wkndr, the possibilities are truly endless. Now let's shift gears and talk about SPARKBOX, a company that's making waves in the world of tiny homes with a focus on sustainability and off-grid living. SPARKBOX is not just building homes, they're creating a movement towards a more eco-friendly and self-sufficient way of life. These guys are all about creating homes that are both stylish and functional, while minimizing their impact on the environment. Their designs are sleek and modern, yet they blend seamlessly into natural surroundings. They use reclaimed wood, energy-efficient appliances, and non-toxic finishes whenever possible, so you can feel good about the space you're living in. Every material is chosen with care to ensure it meets high standards of sustainability. SPARKBOX homes are designed to be incredibly energy efficient, with features like passive solar design and advanced insulation. These elements work together to reduce energy consumption and maintain a comfortable living environment year-round. They offer a variety of different floor plans to choose from, all of which are designed to make the most of natural light and create a sense of openness and spaciousness. Large windows and open layouts make these tiny homes feel much larger than they are. Their homes can be equipped with solar panels, composting toilets, and rainwater harvesting systems, giving you the freedom to live independently wherever you choose. These features make it possible to live off-grid without sacrificing modern comforts. The interior of a SPARKBOX home is just as impressive as its sustainable features. Thoughtful design ensures that every inch of space is utilized efficiently, providing a comfortable and versatile living area. SPARKBOX is proving that you don't have to sacrifice comfort or style to live a more sustainable lifestyle. Their homes are a testament to the fact that eco-friendly living can be both luxurious and practical. Chapter 4. Kimberley Kruiswagen, the off-road king. If you're looking for a mobile home that can handle anything you can throw at it, then look no further than the Kimberley Kruiswagen. This beast is built for adventure, with a rugged design and off-road capabilities that are second to none. The Kimberley Kruiswagen is built on a heavy-duty chassis and features a powerful engine and advanced suspension system that can handle even the roughest roads. The interior is spacious and well-appointed, with high-end finishes and all the amenities you need to live comfortably on the road. And with its advanced battery technology and solar panels, you'll be able to stay off-grid for extended periods. The Kimberley Kruiswagen is a true testament to Australian engineering and craftsmanship. If you're serious about off-road adventure and want a mobile home that can keep up with your wanderlust, then the Kimberley Kruiswagen should be at the top of your list. Chapter 5. Onyx 2630. The modern oasis. Now let's talk about a mobile home that's all about style and comfort. The Onyx 2630. This thing is a modern oasis on wheels with a sleek design and a spacious interior that will make you feel right at home, no matter where you are. One of the first things you'll notice about the Onyx 2630 is its outdoor deck area. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a stylish and functional living space. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with stainless steel appliances, plenty of counter space, and all the storage you could need. The Onyx 2630 is a mobile home that's designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Chapter 6. Pod Studio, the expandable escape. For those who want the flexibility to adapt their living space to their needs, the Pod Studio offers a unique solution. This innovative mobile home features an expandable design that allows you to transform it from a compact unit into a spacious living area in a matter of minutes. At the heart of the Pod Studio's design are its hydraulic legs. These powerful actuators can raise and lower the entire structure, creating a level platform on even the most uneven terrain. With the push of a button, the Pod Studio's walls slide outwards, revealing a hidden living space that doubles the floor area. The interior is modern and well-appointed, with a fully equipped kitchen, a comfortable living area, and a spacious bedroom. The Pod Studio is a versatile and innovative mobile home that's perfect for those who want the freedom to explore the open road without sacrificing the comforts of home. Chapter 7. CaraBoat, the ultimate adventure vessel. Finally, we have the CaraBoat, a truly unique mobile home that blurs the lines between land and water. This amphibious vehicle is designed for those who want the ultimate freedom to explore, offering the ability to seamlessly transition from roads to waterways without missing a beat. Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway, soaking up the scenery, when you stumble upon a pristine lake. With the CaraBoat, you don't have to just admire the view. You can dive right in. Simply drive down to the water's edge, engage the boat motor, and seamlessly transition from land to water. The CaraBoat is built with a robust hull design, that allows it to navigate lakes, rivers, and even calm coastal waters with ease. The interior is surprisingly spacious, with a well-equipped kitchen, a comfortable dining area, and a cozy bedroom. The CaraBoat is a game-changer for adventurers and water enthusiasts alike. So there you have it, folks. 7 incredible autonomous mobile homes that are changing the game when it comes to how we think about living spaces. From luxury apartments on wheels to off-road beasts and even amphibious vessels, these innovative homes offer a glimpse into the future of living, where freedom, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology collide. Which one of these mobile masterpieces caught your eye? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.